Alright you guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and do some changes around the house. I'm going to be painting and making some changes to our laundry room. And we already got our things from Lowe's the other day and I was Insta-storying it a lot. Insta-storying it, I don't know if that's a word. But if you follow me on Instagram, you probably heard a lot about this. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you definitely should. I'll have that information above. It's just my channel name. But you definitely should, because then you can keep up with things when I'm not on YouTube, because I just put out a couple videos a week. You can keep up with things, and I share things over there. Also deals, things that products I use, stuff that's going on, my workouts, everything. So anyway, all right you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start this process. I'm gonna remove everything from up there and the wall, all of this stuff, our clothes that are hang drying. I kind of Googled a little bit on how to move the washer and dryer. Hopefully I can do it by myself because Shanam's not here and I'm trying to get this project done now. And then these are the things that I got. We went ahead and got this whole kit. It was just really like a great deal at Lowe's to get one of these kits with everything in it, a roller brush and the wall trim, and then the pan. Got a little stir stick for the paint. We went ahead and went with the Sherwin Williams, and that is the color. We just got this cloth so we can lay this cloth down just so no paint will hit the floor and stain the floor or anything. And then I just got this paint. They didn't have any more of like the bigger size ones, so I went ahead with this, which actually I think this will be better to have the smaller size. So I'm still looking for my tripod for my big camera, and then I'm gonna sweep in here real quick. I got my broom. Sweep this up, pull this out, and get this started. So this is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. It's so heavy. Huh? Hi, the washer's so heavy for mommy to move. So we're gonna have to see if, I mean, I can't even budge it a little bit. I did not think it was gonna be that bad. I'm pretty strong, you know? So, yeah, that's not, oh, there we go. Let's see what I can do here. So I just finished putting the tape all over. I have my supplies ready on that thing here. I didn't put it down on the floor here only because like the builders obviously made a huge mess already. So it's already covered in paint. So if it gets a couple drops of baby blue paint, oh well, it's behind a washer and dryer. I'm not gonna trip. We already have this that we clearly didn't do. Next, I'm just gonna take this wet towel and I'm going to wipe down all the appliances and kind of like the all of this area, just so when the paint's drying, none of the dust and all of those particles are gonna go and fly onto my fresh paint and dry on there and look dirty and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and use this Valsera, if I'm saying that right, Antiquing glaze. So it's gonna give like an age and distressed look, and then I'm just gonna use it with an old wet rag.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so.
Alright you guys, so I am finally all finished with this project, and I'm going to go ahead and reveal it to you guys. So I am going to go ahead and put on the screen right here what it looked like before, just so you guys can kind of get a reminder of how like bland and plain it was, but I did have all of this decor. So I went ahead and went in with this color. I just painted the wall, as you guys seen. And then I went ahead and antiqued the top of the shelf here. Made it look like, you know, just kind of wood and old wood. It was really, really awesome to use. I absolutely love it. I actually got this idea from Emily from Mama from Scratch. Me and her were chatting. We were texting back and forth on some ideas, and she thought that this would be a great idea. So thank you so much, Emily. You are so sweet, because I absolutely love it. You know, I didn't do too many changes, but it's really made a whole difference. So I went ahead, and this used to be that green or teal or mint or whatever that was. That laundry sign I got from Hobby Lobby. But I went ahead, I spray painted it white, as you guys seen, and then I tried to distress the edges. I don't know if you guys can see, but that is like the distressed as I can get it, because I need to get one of those new little sponges. I need to get a new one, because that one was just dirty, so it was kind of making the white look dirty. I didn't like that. So I just did it to the best I could. And then I have my toilet paper roll, my little wash me sign. I don't know why the chalk doesn't show it. There we go. There you go. So the little wash me sign, my Jesus sign, and coffee and naps. And then my basket full of all of our products and stuff that I use to wash. This actually took me a few days to finish, because I know I've been updating you guys on Instagram, kind of giving you sneak peeks and talking about it and stuff, and that is because I had to like go back to the store, get something else, or the days just went by because I was super busy, and or I let the paint dry, things like that. But anyway, I really love how it turned out. Just painting one wall, doing this shelf, changing that up, it just really made a difference and kind of gave me like a new fresh look in my laundry room, which is all I was looking for. It really transformed it to me, and I will again show like the before picture. It was just kind of plain and dull, and I just wanted to add a little something to make it more me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some kind of inspiration to, you know, change up something in your house. It's springtime, it's new changes, fresh starts, things like that. So I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. And if you're not subscribed, I'd love if you join my family here on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button and give me a like if you like this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.